So, the last couple weeks have been a bit of a whirlwind in our household. Our oldest daughter, Eleanor, has been away for 3 weeks, volunteering as a camp counselor at an Orthodox summer camp. And our other kids, Athanasius, Boaz, and Felicity, have been at that camp this past week, and they just had an amazing time. My husband is driving them home right now, and they'll be here a little bit before dinner. But it was just such an amazing week for my husband and I and our little guy, Moses. We've done this a few years now where it's just Moses and us, and the rest are at camp. And um, it's just such a great reset. It's just amazing. The house is more quiet. I barely have any laundry to do. I barely have any dishes to do. We do lots of fun things with Moses, like this year we went bowling. He wanted to go to this vintage arcade that we have in the bigger city that we live outside of, and that is really like stepping back into time. It is very fun. It has all the old games, and it's a really decent price to play as well, which is great. We took him to the nature center. We had never been there before. He wanted to see what the mall was like because we just don't go to the mall. I think it's been actually like 5 years since I've been to our mall. So we took him, and that was fun. We went out to eat actually a few times. That was a real treat. I mean, I just really felt like I was on vacation this week, and it was amazing. Um, it was just so relaxing. I'm excited to see the kids, but I'm also very thankful for the week off that we had. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. I'm making like a special dinner tonight, some chicken bacon Alfredo. I actually made it yesterday, so I just need to heat it up and make the pasta, and I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls. Hopefully I've timed the recipe 4 times, so hopefully I'll have enough cinnamon rolls to take to church. And the garden is just exploding. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And yeah, that's what I've been up to. I hope the geese must be outside my window. I hope that you guys are doing really well and that you're having a good summer and staying as cool as you can. Here is a little raspberry start that we bought at Aldi. Actually, I think for like $5 or $6. This one's doing really great. So we bought 2 raspberries and we bought 2 blackberries, but the blackberries are not doing anything, which is a little disappointing. The sunflowers look really beautiful this year. My only regret with this little garden is that I didn't plant more flowers, but I can try to do that next year. This is some cilantro and basil, our pepper plants, and I see some peppers I need to pick. These squash plants I planted, and they didn't come up for the longest time, so I didn't think they were. So then I planted some watermelon in the same bed, and after the watermelon came up, then the squash did. The cucumber is going nuts, and I'm so excited because we love to make refrigerator pickles. This is our little watermelon. It's so cute. And I planted way too much butternut squash. It's just all over the place, but I really like it. This is a few potato plants and a couple sweet potatoes. This is a new pasta that I tried and really like. It's a protein pasta, and it has 21 grams per serving, which is absolutely amazing. And it's just wheat and these lupini beans. So I want to make the cinnamon rolls, and I did a 4-batch. I've never done that much dough before for cinnamon rolls, but it was really nice because we had a ton for ourselves. I took a pan to church, and I also gave a few away to a friend. Cinnamon roll dough is really a nice dough because it's not a sticky dough, and I think it's just easy to work with. I didn't have any butter at room temperature, so I melted some and just brushed it on. But usually I like to have it at room temp. And I also did not have any brown sugar. Can you tell how thought out this was? But that's okay. The white sugar and the melted butter did just fine, and they were delicious. The kids are home, and I am dishing out the Alfredo. They are absolutely exhausted. They had a wonderful time, and I am so thankful to have them home. And I think Moses is too. It's nice to step away from normality, even just for a little bit, if it's like running errands in town or having a week like this, like we did, because when you come back, it's a little bit sweeter and you appreciate it a little bit more. I was so excited to make this meal for my kids. Just a normal thing, but I hadn't made a big meal in a week, and I was really looking forward to it. Ellie came home the next day because she was a counselor, and when I gave her the bowl of Alfredo, she just was like, she closed her eyes and was like, "Oh, I have missed your food so much." And honestly, that was probably the best thing she could have told me.